Lesson 17. This is the 2017 update. Let's look through to the piano assignment for this week. Each day at the piano, I'd like them to do the same thing because we want them to get better each day. And so as a result, as they get better, it shouldn't take as long. So the first day might take 20 minutes to get through this. By the fifth day, it might only take them 5 minutes to get through this. So then they can review other pieces that are not on here. So the first thing it says is to review John Kanaka in F major. Now before they begin, it's really important that they start on F. And we've been working on this warm-up. This is the 3-note warm-up. Do, mi, so, mi, do. And they've been working on this 5-finger warm-up. Do, re, mi, fa, so, mi, re, do, so, do. So they should do that every day before they begin to play. Then they should work on John Kanaka. It says to try different ways to play this piece. One option is to add chords. So in the left hand, they've learned the 1 chord, which is made up of do, mi, so, 1 chord. They may not be up to playing the 3-note chord, although we're working on it. They may only be up to be playing the 2-note chord. Do, so, 1 chord. Both are fine. The other chord they're working on is T, so, and this is the 5-7 chord. If their hand isn't ready to play that, they may just be playing so, fa, so, 5-7 chord. And they want to begin to get good at being able to move from a 1 chord to a 5-7 chord, and then back to the 1 chord. And I suggest they try it with their eyes closed. They may do some varieties like this, or you might see them do a 3-note chord and then only be able to do this. These are all fine. Here it is when I add the chords to the piece. They may do this way. Right? Well, I mean, I don't love the way it sounds, but they're still exploring where to place the chords, and I don't want them to have an idea. I don't want them to put them where I put them. I'd like them to begin to figure that out themselves. But basically, they should be adding some sort of this chord and this chord somewhere. Right. Then it says to play it in different positions, so they could do John Kanaka in C. They could do it in D. They could do it in E. They're already doing it in F, and they could do it in G. They could also do it in A, and there's the few that will do it in B. Yep. They could also play the melody with the left hand. Maybe add chords. This will get a little difficult because we really haven't spent time with the right-hand chords. We will get there. All right, so that's their exploration and fooling around with John Kanaka. It could take anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes, so you have to let them know if they've done it. That should be good. Now they says to play these pieces as a review and play them all in F major. Can you add a 1 and a 5-7 chord with these melodies? Try it. And the melodies are Who's that cross buns. Hot cross buns. Hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny. Hot cross buns. Now they can play these in all the positions, but this week at the very least, I want them in F major. Finally, Ode to Joy. So that's what the homework says at the piano. Now, when they go to the floor to play with their pink rhythm cards, that's part of the minutes that they're practicing. So that counts. So taking out the cards, finding them, and following the practice disc is going to be all part of that. Let me show you these pink cards so you know which ones we're talking about. There are 4 pink cards. They're longer and they don't fit in the card file, so don't even try. You could fold them if you want. Here's card 1, and card 1 says, do, do. Each one of these is worth 2 counts, so I'm going to tap here. Here's the count. Do, do. Card 2, again, here's the count. Do, day, do. Start again. Do, day, do. Here's card 3. Do, day, do, do. And here's card 4. Do, do. And that's the language we've been using in class. For homework, they're going to create a duple composition. And we are spending time thinking about, not just putting cards down. On page 9, they're asked to find 3 cards that they like. So they may decide to start with card 2, and they have to test it out. Do, day, do. And then maybe they want to add card 1. Do. You know, and they have to think, oh, that sounds good. And then maybe they'll end with do, day, do. You know, that could be a possible idea. Now, when they're done with that composition, they have to copy it into those smaller boxes, and then they do it again. This is also part of their practice time. This is only done once. Now, it's possible if they have extra time, and, you know, and they're saying, oh, I don't have anything else to practice, which is unlikely, then you can put on the listening CD and they could listen on in. That's always a nice way to end. And then on the homework assignment, there is a spot that says your practice record. Mark each day when you've played or practiced the piano for at least 20 minutes. So, you know, they're going to have to figure out how to fill those 20 minutes with songs they've played before, naming all the keys, you know, whatever they feel like doing. But I want them to get used to being at the piano for 20 minutes. And they need to do this for at least 5 days. So this is not a weekend event or the day before we cut to class. I've been hearing a lot of people doing that. It means doing it on Saturday and Sunday and Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. And if they miss a day, then it could be Saturday, Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. They could do it in the morning. They could do it before dinner. They could do it after dinner. They should do it before their homework. These are all good times when they should be getting used to practicing the piano. I hope that they have a lot of fun at the piano this week, and I hope to see them in class soon.